Unleash your creativity with your micro welder. Episode 6. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these long threader earrings and master the technique of welding stud posts to fine chain. The chain that you're going to use as a threader should be thin enough so that you can pull through comfortably your piercing. So make sure, and actually solid ones are easier to weld than this sort of chain link, but I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to also leave a link below with the information about this particular chain, but there are so many on the market. See what you can get. So we're going to use this as an example and get started. Also, here is the stud post that I'm going to use. We want the one without a base. There are different ones on the market with base and without. The reason why we want this to be without is so that it is slim and to be able to glide through. Here's a close-up to this chain. You see how fine the wire is? That will cause a problem for security. So one of the first things that you need to do is to weld that and ball it so that there is more metal, it's collapsed, and it's a solid piece before you weld your stud post. So that is a trick here. And what I'm going to do is set it for 6-watt power. And I'm just going to hold on to the base here. Make sure that my link is sticking out. And then I just touch the tip. Let me see if you can see that. And that has collapsed the chain. And if you find that there isn't enough of a ball, it's okay, just do it again. You see? There is more metal surface. It's wider. You see that little ball there, and I'm holding on to it. Right beside it is the chain loop, and what I'm going to do is to weld these together like this. Okay, I'm going to try to do it this way so you can see it on the camera. I'm touching the two sides together, and I'm using, so I'm going to weld, and I'm using 9-watt power. I'm going to try this like this, even though normally I would say flatten the other side, the ball, so that there's more surface area. But I'm going to weld it right in between. And so it took. Now, the other thing is, when you're welding these things in the fusing, try to have it so it's pushing together, so that when it's molten, when it's hot, it sticks together as opposed to pulling apart. So that is a small fine detail, but it does help. Okay, not sure if you can see this. It's not perfectly smooth. I'm going to rotate so you can see. Okay. But that is completely okay. There's not a giant lump. And what you need to do then is tap, 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 like this. As you turn this, like this, you squeeze it, tap, 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 like this. And you straighten out. So that, see, there you go. Okay, I use a fiberglass brush to remove a bit of the oxidation. I didn't use argon gas to film. So this is what it looks like. Look how long my chain is. So now you're going to measure how long you want it and then cut. I've decided on having this length, and if it is the case that your jumping is too thick, you might have to ream your cable chain. And I have a video for that. So now I'm just going to weld. At 5-watt power. It's perfect. There we go. Clean it a little bit. And there is your long, customized threader. And this is a picture of me wearing the threader earrings. I like asymmetry, and the possibilities are endless. I hope you found that episode to be interesting. And if you did, please like and subscribe and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And actually, it helps the algorithm. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as micro welders. I'm going to leave a note below, a little bit more information about our company and what you've seen in this video.